Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus 8 and today I'll show you how to change the language of the device. So if your phone right now is in a language that you don't understand, to change it you can follow the icons that are next to the option that I tap on. So let's start by opening up the settings app. So it's right here, the gear icon, tap on that. From here scroll all the way down to system, which is another gear icon. And from here it's the second option, language and input, with the globe icon. Tap on that, and at the top you have languages, so just tap on the first option, and as you can see there is number 1 and, well, English. So all you need to do is tap on the plus right here and add a new language that you want, and whatever you choose, let's just tap whatever. Then you want to grab it, drag it over, and there we go. You can see that it automatically changed the system language. So that is how you would change the language. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.